Hello everyone, so today's video we have another IPSY unboxing, and I believe this one is for the month of June. So I just picked this up from my UPS mailbox, so I believe we are caught up now. I can't believe we're already halfway through June. Ugh. The summer is like, everything is flying by. Before we know it, it's gonna be the holidays. And I am not ready for that. But anyways, this is our IPSY bag, super cute. We've got like this like satin pink bow. That's like the IPSY iconic pink color, like the old pink color. Now it's like a baby pink. But anyways, let's see what I got. All right, so pulling out the card, we have June 2026, blend the rules, turn up the color, take up space, make them look, because beauty isn't about impressing, it's about expressing. Super cute, got everything there. Let's pull out the first item. Ooh, we have a lip liner. So this one is from Pinklipps Beauty. This is a new brand for me that I do not know. And I don't think I've ever, in my day, we didn't have them in the IPSY bags. Like back in the day, I was like the one creator from IPSY that would show every single product that you could get in your bag every single month. And I did that every month. I didn't even like take I remember I didn't even want to take maternity leave when I had Riley, because I was like, I cannot not do these bags. If I took maternity leave, I couldn't film. So I was like, I'm not gonna do that, because I love seeing all the products that everyone had an option of getting. I remember those days. That was so much fun. But yeah, this is a new brand for me, Pinklipps Beauty, and it is their DAT lip liner though. That's actually the name though at the end. And then it's in the shade Faithful. It looks like this really pretty coral. Oh, it's like a deep coral. I thought it was gonna be brighter than that, but it's actually more of a deeper coral, which I actually like. This is really nice. It's like more muted. So that will be really pretty. Okay, so another thing that I got in my IPSY bag is the Pinklipps Setting Powder Makeup Brush. Use it to sweep setting powder over your complexion, smooth matte finish. Oh, okay, so we have a little setting brush right here, which actually be really good for underneath the eyes for like my concealer. That's like this is the one place where I crease the most, is like always like these little fine lines right here, and it's so annoying. And then I also have one deep smile line here that is just I can't fix it. I don't know what it is. I've done Sculptra and everything, and it definitely has helped it not be as bad, but it's still there and it's so annoying. So this would be a good brush for that, because it's like very nice, fine. You can have a lot more control, a lot more precision over it. So it actually feels like a really, really good brush. I've never heard of this brand either, Pinklipps. It's a new one for me. And then we have Kokie Cosmetics. Yes, this has been around for a while. So Soft Glow Highlighter. And the shade that I got is Rosy. The packaging's really pretty. Again, we got those coral shades, which I love. Okay, so this color is a little bit more of a rose gold. Really pretty. And then we have, oh yay, I'm excited for this. Okay, so I have had lash extensions for over 6 years. I finally got rid of them like earlier this year, like around March or April. And so now I've been testing out so many different mascaras. The mascara that I have found that I love the most right now is the YSL Latex Mascara. Like, oh, that one is so good. I'm wearing that one today. I just love the way that it doesn't clump and it makes my lashes look. But I have not used a Benefit BADgal lash bang in like so long. So I'm really excited, and I love the little travel size versions of the mascaras, because I feel like they dry out so quickly, and then when you just have a little one, it's just perfect. So I remember this wand, yeah, it reminds me a lot of the wand that's on the YSL Latex. So I'm really excited to use this. I'm gonna use this tomorrow and test this one out, see how I like it, but pumped about that. That's like a win for me for this whole bag. And then last but not least, I have the Mischo. So this was a brand that I had in my last bag that this is also new for me. This is their eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is really pretty. One of the pans fell out, but let me fix it real quick. There we go. But this is actually a really, really pretty palette. I love it. I love the size of it too because it's also something easy to fit into your makeup bag, and I'm getting ready to do a lot of travel. So I love neutral colors like this that I could also travel with. These swatch really, really nicely. Oh, it's actually kind of nice that I don't have nails right now. Oh my God, I gotta tell you guys a story. But those are really, really pretty shades. Like these are shades that I would wear. So I love this. And you know what? Like this gold one would actually look really pretty with this outfit. I'm wearing a this like brown satin tube top from Aritzia, and it's really cute. I got it as a set with the shorts, and so cute. Like this with like gold heels would be a really cute like night out, like date night outfit. That is everything that I got in my IPSY bag for this month. Make sure you tune in for my IPSY Extra, which I have here. I'm gonna film this separately, so it's in separate videos, and we are gonna see what we got there. But so far, like this month, I feel like it was pretty good. The lip liner, this is definitely a color that I don't own. I don't own like a deep coral like that, so that's really like new for me. The Kokie Cosmetics highlighter honestly is not a shade that I gravitate to very much. I honestly don't even really wear highlighter anymore. So I'm gonna be like, this is kind of like a matte product for me. It's not that big of a deal. And this palette though looks really pretty, and I'm really excited to try this out actually. And I like the size of it. It's swatched really nicely, and the colors are my colors too. So I think that was spot on. And I'm very excited to use this mascara again because I don't have this one in my collection. So I give away so many of my mascaras in the past to friends and family and all that. And now I'm like starting to hoard it again because I'm actually wearing mascara again. So I'm excited to try this one out and see how this makes my lashes look. And the Pinklipps setting powder brush is actually pretty nice, you know? It's nice that it feels really good. I like how dense it is, and it's still a little fluffy, and it just also gives you a little bit more precise application. So I think this was also another win. There's everything that I got. Make sure if you guys want to see any of these products closer, I always link them down below. I always also have a link of where if you wanted to sign up for IPSY as well with me. But let me know what's like the favorite thing that you got in your bag this month. If you guys still get IPSY, I would love to hear from you guys. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye.